name is Wendy with WTI, and today I want to share with you how I make a cup of coffee using the Melitta pour-over system everywhere. So this is a pour-over system thing. It's a hard plastic that it's traveled all over. So it's about 4 to 5 years old. And I've taken it camping, I've taken it to hotels, I've taken it on road trips, and it's my favorite coffee. So why do I prefer this? Well, I personally prefer it over instant coffee, and the cleanup is so much easier than a French press, especially when you're in a hotel. And so I really love how easy this is. And if you take a look here, I'm making a cup of coffee. So I got the coffee grinds in there, and it's got the filters. So the number 2 filters are the one that fits this one here. And you can kind of just tuck it in like a pocket, put in your coffee grinds, and start pouring water over in a circular motion. And you'll make yourself a lovely cup of coffee. So I highly recommend it. If you're wanting something that's going to be a little bit cheaper than having takeout coffee all the time, grab the Melitta pour-over system. I find it to be a really good cup of coffee, but that's my point of view.